In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or deactivate a vendor in QuickBooks Online. Managing your vendor list efficiently is crucial for maintaining accurate records and streamlining your accounting processes. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. To begin with, you'll need to head over to the QuickBooks Online login page. If you're not already signed in, you'll see a sign in button. Go ahead and click on that. This will prompt you to select from a variety of QuickBooks products, so make sure to choose QuickBooks Online. It's important to ensure you're entering your credentials for the correct service to avoid any confusion. Once you've selected QuickBooks Online, enter your email and password. Don't forget to click Continue to move forward. This simple step ensures that your account is safely and securely accessed so you can proceed with managing your vendors. After you've successfully signed in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the dashboard. Look for the Expenses tab, which is where you'll access everything related to purchases, suppliers, and payment tracking within QuickBooks Online. Click on Expenses. This menu primarily serves as a hub for managing your financial transactions. Next, within the Expenses section, find and click on Vendors. This is where QuickBooks organizes and displays all vendor-related activities and information. It provides an overview of all the vendors you interact with, helping you keep track of who you do business with and the details of your transactions. Now, once you're in the Vendors section, navigate to the vendor you're aiming to delete or deactivate. On the right-hand side next to the vendor's name, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal additional options. This is a crucial step as it shows the actions you can take regarding the specific vendor. From the drop-down menu, locate the option Make Inactive. Select this to proceed with deactivating the vendor. By deactivating, you won't lose any transaction history. The vendor will simply no longer appear in your active vendors list, helping to declutter your workspace. Finally, a confirmation window will pop up. It's very important to confirm your intention by clicking Yes, Make Inactive. This last step ensures that the vendor is indeed deactivated and will no longer appear in active lists, but remember, this action can be reversed if needed by activating the vendor again in the future. And that's it, you're all set. You've successfully deactivated a vendor in QuickBooks Online. This process helps you maintain a clean and organized vendor list, making your accounting tasks easier and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. See you in the next video.